There are three tools that we rely on pretty heavily with this quick pivot to remote learning. The first is Moodle, the second is WebEx, and the third is Kaltura. Now, Kaltura is very similar to a private academic YouTube. It's a video hosting service that lives behind Moodle to help you easily upload and embed videos. It can actually do some really cool things for you. So first, Kaltura can help you record your screen and or webcam. So if you want to record just yourself talking, or if you want to demonstrate something or record a lecture, you could do all of that with Kaltura. You can also upload videos that you already have into Kaltura, or if you record a meeting in WebEx, even if that meeting is just you sharing your screen, those recordings are also uploaded to Kaltura. And then Kaltura makes it easy to take those videos and embed them into Moodle courses. Now, why might you use Kaltura instead of some other options like Moodle or YouTube? Well, if you were to take a video and upload directly into Moodle, first, there's no streaming option. The students have to download the entire video to watch it. So if you have students who have a very limited broadband connection or no broadband connection at home, and they have to download things at a local library or a coffee shop, they are not going to have a very good experience. And it's really not a good video viewing experience in general to put the video file directly into Moodle, especially since video files can be really large. There is also YouTube, but YouTube is ad supported and very often has inappropriate quote unquote related videos at the end, videos that have been gaming the system to show up more frequently so that they can get clicks, so that they can play ads, so that they can make money. Those related videos very often have nothing to do with your video, and some of them are a bit questionable. There are also some privacy concerns since you are working with Google. Very frequently, they're looking at viewing patterns, browsing history, things like that. So you're giving away a lot of data about your students without meaning to. Where Kaltura comes in handy is it has all of the video hosting capabilities of a service like YouTube, but it handles multiple media types, which is really exciting. So you can throw just about anything at it, and it will process that video file for the students to watch. It's private, so there are no ads, there are no related videos. It's private just to you and your students, so what you upload to your students is only available to them within the course. There is a screencasting feature built in, so you can capture recordings of lectures on PowerPoint or any other service. You can record demonstrations, you can record walkthroughs for websites or tools. You can do all that with Kaltura, and then the recording is then uploaded into Kaltura to be embedded into Moodle. And most importantly, it accommodates poor internet connections. And what I mean by that is when you upload a video to Kaltura, it takes that video and it recreates it several times at several different levels of quality. So that if a student on a smartphone with a poor internet connection tries to load your ultra high definition 4K video recording, Kaltura will go, okay, it's a smartphone, it's a poor internet connection. We'll stream a lower quality version of that video so that they can actually watch it. And that's one of the biggest benefits to Kaltura.